How to fix my phone won't turn on or charge or black screen problem. So if you're facing a problem with the black screen or if your phone won't charge, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. You will have a bunch of fixes. You can try any one of these fixes, or if any fix doesn't, or if any one solution doesn't fix your problem, you can try all of these solutions. So the first one you need to do is make sure the buttons on your device are not jammed. Check for dirt, lotion, lint, and other debris, and make sure to thoroughly clean your buttons and reboot your Android device. You just need to simply press the power button and try to restart your device or reboot your device, and these will fix your problem. And after that, try to clean your charging port. So the dust might keep your phone from charging properly. So you'll see a black screen until it's powered up enough to turn on. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then go with the second or the third fix, which is recharge the battery. Wait until the batteries die completely and the phone shuts down, right? And then recharge the phone and restart it after it's fully charged. And if there's a critical system error causing the black screen, they should get your phone working again. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then squeeze your phone. So gently but firmly press your phone from both sides, squeezing the front and back together. If there's a loose connection between the screen and the motherboard, this could help reset the connection and get the screen working again. And if you have a case, then remove it from the case before you start this process so that you can accurately do that without breaking the screen. And the fifth fix is force restart your phone. So press and hold the power button, home, power, or volume down or volume up buttons, and you need to force restart your device and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then remove the battery. If you're able to remove the battery, then remove the battery and then try restarting the phone again. Or you can also reboot your phone in the safe mode, or you can clear the cache on your Android phone. Or you can also go with factory reset. If you do the factory reset, then this will delete all of your data and it will turn your phone to a brand new phone without any apps or without any installed files. So these were the fixes on how you can fix your black screen or charging problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.